Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. So decision making chapter we are discussing in managerial accounting or management accounting. Introduction class is over. Now today we'll see types of decisions. Different types of decisions we have to take. As I told you, in this chapter we are going to discuss about production and sales related the decision making only, but we must know what types of decisions are there. So total types of decisions, you can divide it into 6 types of decisions. Classification of decisions in 6 types: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Classification, first one, if you see, classification on the based on the impact of organization. Based on impact of organization, we can classify first category. Second category is that classification on the nature of problems. Okay. Next one, third one is that classification as per the number of individuals. How many people are going to take the decisions? Based on that we can classify. And classification based on the importance. Next, classification based on the extent of freedom. Classification as per the persons involved, how many people are involved. So total 6 types of classification are there. Each and every classification of decision making is divided into subdivided into 2 parts. A, B, like this. Each and every classification we can divide into sub parts of 2. We'll discuss in depth. The first one is that on the basis of the impact of organization. Impact of organization based on that basic decisions, routine decisions. Basic decisions means regularly whatever we do, organization activities like production, manufacturing and supplying the material, these are all basic decisions. It has to go. The show must go on, you know that. In the same way, when we have to do normal activities, need not to consult anyone, it has to pass. Those kind of decisions we can say it as the basic decisions. Next one is that routine decisions. Routine decisions means base decisions already decided. Routine decisions, they have to get the instructions from the top management, middle management to lower management, like the process has to be passed properly. Then we can say routine decisions. Say supervisors has to take some decisions, and in the same way managers has to take some decisions. So these are all we can say it as routine decisions. Need not to consult anyone. These are all organization, part of organization activities only. So these decisions can be taken by the concerned person as per the routine work. Routine decision or basic decision. Second thing is that nature of problem. By the nature of problem, we can decide 2 types of decisions: programmed decisions, non-programmed decisions. Programmed decisions, we can say it as a structured decisions. Structured decisions means, structured or programmed decisions means, if any problem arises, we have already solution. We have already solution for that. That same solution you have to implement it. That's called as programmed decisions. Already for every problem there is already solution. It's already programmed. It is structured already. It's very easy. No wasting of time. Need not to consult someone and need not to think, because we know this kind of problems already occurred and we know what kind of decisions is to be taken. That is programmed decisions. In this way, non-programmed decisions. Non-programmed decisions, we can say it as unstructured programs also. Unexpectedly something occurred, that kind of problems we never faced. So that is unstructured. For unstructured or non-programmed decisions, they have to evaluate that problem, as we have seen in the last class. Basis or process of decision making, problem identification, then after that finding the alternatives and selecting the alternatives. That process we have to follow for this non-programmed decisions, because first time we are seeing this problem, not structured, unstructured. This need to be very careful, and they have to identify the problem, and best alternative has to be identified, taking the expert's advice. All these things are involved in this non-programmed decision. Third type of decisions, number of individuals. Based on this, we can divide into two parts: individual decision, group decisions. Sometimes individual decisions means maybe the board of directors or manager, they have that authority, they can take the decisions. Like say some money has to be withdrawn, some money has to be spent and material has to be purchased. Need not to ask someone to take the to guide, or someone's advice or permission is not required. Then individual decision you can take. And where organization is affecting, activities are affecting, there you need to take the group decision. Call the group members in the sense who are involved in these particular aspect, like group members of the management, board of directors, or managers of different departments like sales department manager, production department manager, finance department manager, HR manager, like all the managers, related people who are involved in that particular decision, call them and take a group decision. This is related to individuals. Individual decision or group decision, what is to be taken. Fourth type of category classification is that based on importance. Importance, what is the importance? Based on this importance we can divide it: major decisions, minor decisions. Minor decisions, need not to worry, okay, we have to take the decisions, it has to go. Minor decisions anyone can take, need not to worry much. But when it comes to major decisions means as we have discussed, make or buy product, sell or retain, these are all major decisions. So major decisions, they have to be very careful. And next, extent of freedom. Based on the freedom of the organization, classification is two types: personal decisions and organizational decisions. Personal decisions means, say for example, related to any particular employee or officer related, any kind of problem is there. So that is personal decision, where they have to take the decision related to the organization, which is affecting the organization. So one person is malpracticing or deceiving and doing some kind of activities, and with this person many people are interlinked, then this is organizational decision. Only one person is doing something, that is personal decision. I am taking problem, there are many problems, many areas where we can identify it. Am I clear? That is about the extent of freedom. And in the same way, persons involved, how many persons are involved? Based on this, classification is here: departmental decisions. Departmental decisions means, suppose say, where is the marker? Suppose that there is a department, production department. This is production department. Related to the production department, they want to take any decision. So that is departmental decision. Interdepartmental decision. Interdepartmental decision means, suppose the production department is there and also sales department is there, purchase department is there, say we'll say C, purchase department is there, and also there is a finance department. All the departments together has to take any decisions, means A, B, C, D. All the departments, they have to take the decisions together. Then that's called as interdepartmental decisions. Departmental decisions means only department members. Suppose say one department, they want to take the decisions. Call all the members who are involved in the departments, call all the people, and then decide it, what to do, what not to do. So all these things they can decide and they can. But interdepartmental means everything is involved. In interdepartmental decisions, most of the time the heads of the department members are called, not all the members. All the members means it will be company, entire company. Many employees will gather. Rather than that, they call only the heads of the department. Suppose say A is, as I told you, say purchase department head, manager will come. B, sales department head will come. C, finance department head will come. D, say marketing and advertising department. So that major person. Only managers or heads of that particular department people will come and they'll have a decision making. They'll have a meeting and they'll take the decision. That is interdepartmental decisions. Am I clear? Nothing to worry, but you need to have good understanding. You can expect a theory question related to this problem. Okay. First take down or take a screenshot. Next class onwards, we'll see the practicals. Check out the playlist for more subjects. Whatever is required, use it, and don't forget to forward these videos. By the way, did you subscribe to our channel? Please subscribe, like and share to support our channel. Stay connected, practice well. Good luck.